How to add payment method on Coinbase. Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So let's just get started. For that, you can go ahead and open up the Coinbase application first and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you can go ahead and look out for the cube option at the top left corner. Just go ahead and tap on it, and a menu or another page opens up on your screen. Now, what you may do from here is just go ahead and tap on your profile and open a profile. And once you tap on profile, you can go to payment methods directly. So select the option called add a payment method from your screen. And here you can select a bunch of options available from the given options that you may want to add as a payment method. So just go ahead and select it up. After that, you can just go ahead and follow the prompts, the instructions to connect it. And uh, there you go. Now you're all done and the account will be successfully added. Apart from that, you can add more than one payment method. So you can go to payment section and add up the payment method that you prefer. And that is it. So if you'd also like to add payment method on Coinbase, these are the methods you may follow up in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.